everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Touch. I'm Emma, and today I'm joined by the always enthusiastic Jack. Hi, Jack. How are you doing today?
Hi, Emma. I'm doing fantastic, as always. And I'm especially excited about today's topic because it's one of the biggest struggles every English learner faces. I can understand English, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out.
Exactly. It's such a common situation. You can understand movies, follow conversations, even read books or subtitles easily. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. You know what you want to say, but somehow your tongue just won't cooperate.
It feels like there's an invisible wall between your thoughts and your mouth, right? You can hear English clearly in your head, but when you try to speak, you freeze up or hesitate.
And that's okay. It's totally normal. Most learners go through this stage. It's not that you can't speak English, it's that your speaking muscles and your brain need a bit more teamwork.
Exactly. The good news is that this can be fixed, and that's what we're going to help you do today.
We'll break down why this happens and then share powerful, simple techniques to help you go from understanding English to speaking it confidently.
Part 1. Why you understand but can't speak.
Let's start with the why. Why do so many learners find speaking English so hard even though they understand it perfectly?
Great question. The first thing to know is that understanding and speaking are two very different skills. Understanding is a receptive skill. Your brain receives and processes information.
Speaking is a productive skill. Your brain has to create language.
That's a big difference. When you're listening, you're like a sponge, soaking up words, phrases, and meanings. But when you speak, it's like building something. You have to take all the words you know, arrange them, and pronounce them, all in real time.
Exactly. It's like watching someone play guitar versus playing it yourself. You can understand the song, but playing it takes coordination and practice.
And most learners spend much more time listening and reading than speaking. In school or language classes, we usually focus on grammar, writing, and vocabulary lists, but not much on actual speaking.
Right. You might know 1,000 words, but if you never use them aloud, your brain doesn't connect those words to your speaking muscles, your tongue, lips, and voice.
Another big reason is fear. Fear of making mistakes, of sounding silly, or of being judged. That fear stops many people from opening their mouths at all.
So true. But here's something important. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. They're teachers. Every mistake shows you what to improve next.
Exactly. And then there's confidence. You might actually know enough English, but you lack confidence. You think you're not ready, but trust us, you are. You just need to start speaking, even if you're nervous.
Part 2. The mindset shift you need.
Before we talk about techniques, let's fix the mindset first. The first rule: don't aim for perfection, aim for communication.
Yes, your goal is to be understood, not perfect. If you say, "Yesterday I go to market," people will still understand you. That's communication, and that's success.
Exactly. You'll fix grammar naturally over time as you keep practicing. But if you never speak, you'll never improve. And don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's learning journey is different. Focus on your progress, not someone else's. One more mindset tip. Don't be afraid to sound foreign. Your accent is part of your identity.
Even native speakers have different accents: British, American, Australian, and they all communicate just fine.
Part 3. Step-by-step plan to start speaking. Okay, let's talk about how to actually fix the "I understand but can't speak" problem. We've prepared a step-by-step system that really works if you follow it daily.
Step 1. Start small. Really small. Don't try to have full conversations on day 1. Start with single words and short phrases. For example, "Hi, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." "What's your name?"
Exactly. Repeat these phrases until they feel automatic. When your brain and mouth start to cooperate, you'll gain confidence.
Step 2. Talk to yourself daily.
Yes. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone. It might sound funny, but it's powerful practice.
You can also plan your day aloud. Today, I'll go to the market. Then, I'll study English for 1 hour. This helps you practice thinking in English instead of translating from your native language.
Step 3. Use the picture description method. This one's fun. Find any picture, maybe from Google, Instagram, or magazine, and describe it in English.
Example. There's a man sitting on a bench. He's reading a book. The sun is shining.
That exercise trains your brain to form sentences naturally and improves your speaking flow.
Step 4. Record yourself.
Open your phone's voice recorder. Speak for 1 minute about anything and listen to it. At first, you'll feel awkward. Everyone does. But this is how you catch mistakes and improve pronunciation. Yes, and later compare your first recordings with new ones. You'll see your progress, and that's super motivating.
Step 5. Practice shadowing.
This is one of my favorite methods. Listen to a native speaker from a podcast, a YouTube video, or even a movie, and repeat what they say at the same time. Try to match their tone, speed, and rhythm. It's like being an echo. Shadowing helps you improve pronunciation, fluency, and confidence all at once. Start with short phrases and then move on to full sentences.
Step 6. Do role plays. Pretend you're in real situations. At a restaurant, hotel, or airport.
Example.
I'd like a coffee, please. How much does this cost? Can I get the bill, Practicing real-life dialogues helps you prepare for real conversations.
You can even record these role plays with a friend or use AI tools to simulate conversations.
Step 7. Immerse yourself in English.
Immerse means surround yourself with English every day. Watch English shows with subtitles. Listen to English songs. Read short articles and follow English-speaking YouTubers.
Even changing your phone's language to English helps. The more exposure you get, the faster your brain adapts.
Step 8. Join an English community. Find online groups or local meetups where people practice English. There are apps like Hello Talk, Tandem, or even Facebook groups for English learners.
Speaking with real people, even for 5 minutes, is worth more than hours of silent study. Part 4. Real practice example. Let's do a little live example. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time.
Okay, I'll be the learner.
All right, let's go. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the UK. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English online.
That's awesome. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I get to meet students from all over the world.
See how simple that was? Short, friendly exchanges like this are perfect practice. Even if you make mistakes, just keep going.
Part 5. Keep growing and stay motivated. The secret to success is consistency. Even 10 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Exactly. Think of English like a muscle. If you train it every day, even a little, it gets stronger.
And don't forget to celebrate small wins. First full sentence? Great. Had a short conversation? Amazing. Each one is progress.
Also, remember your why. Why are you learning English? Maybe to travel, study abroad, or make international friends. Keep that motivation alive.
Part 6. Final words of encouragement. If you remember only one thing from today's video, let it be this. You already can speak English. You just need to practice bringing it out.
Exactly. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now. Speak even when it's scary. That's how confidence is built.
Every mistake is a step forward. Every small practice session brings you closer to fluency.
So go ahead. Open your mouth. Make those sentences and speak with pride. You're doing great, and we're cheering for you.
Thank you all so much for joining us today on Mr. English Touch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And leave us a comment below. Tell us, what's the biggest challenge you face when speaking English? We'd love to read your experiences and help in future videos.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English confidently.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.